Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet scarves. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of beautiful video. Crocheting a scarf can offer many benefits, both physical and mental. Here are some benefits we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is stress relief. The repetitive motion of crocheting can help reduce stress and anxiety, providing a calming effect. Improved focus. Crocheting requires concentration, which helps improve your focus and attention to detail. Creative expression. Crocheting allows you to experiment with different color patterns and textures, giving you a creative outlet. Fine motor skills. The act of holding the crochet hook and yarn help improve and eye coordination and fine motor skills. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a scarf gives you a tangible result in your hard work, boosting your self-esteem and sense of achievement. Improve patience. Crocheting can teach patience as it takes time and dedication to complete a project. Mindfulness. The process of crocheting is often meditative, allowing you to focus on the present moment and clear your mind. Physical exercise. Crocheting strengthens hand and wrist muscles, improving dexterity and reducing the risk of joint problems. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. So keep in touch with our channel. Take care. See you. Bye bye.